Today we're diving back into Kiwi Design land and we're going to be looking at the K4 Boost battery strap. So just like the H4 Boost that I unboxed in one of my previous videos, Kiwi Design have sent this to me free of charge. If you're brand new here, I don't take sponsorships to review products like this, and I also just like to be able to say what I want to say, not adhere to a big checklist of items with a deadline. It's not for me. I will be having a more in-depth review of it coming up a little bit later. This video really is just about seeing what's inside the package. When I received this, I was like, hang on, don't I already have this head strap? Insert Kiwi Design Comfort Strap with the battery. They look very similar, and after looking on their website, it appears the Kiwi Design Comfort Strap with the battery is no longer available, and the K4 Boost is the only one in its place that looks like it. So I think it is safe to assume that this is the successor of the Kiwi Design Comfort Strap with battery, and looks like we've got a couple of design upgrades to look forward to, and with that said, let's unbox. Alrighty, here we go. We're opening up the Kiwi Design K4 Boost. As we can see, the packaging is very similar to that of its predecessor, the Kiwi Design Comfort Strap with battery, and Kiwi seem to have taken a meta approach when it comes to their packaging with a sleeve and a nice little box. So this also got damaged in the post. Unfortunately, it's been a bit dinged up. However, it's what's inside that counts. So let's have a little looky here. Okay, open up. Ta-da! Let's have a little look. Okay, so everything is dismantled. Okay, yeah, we've got the click wheel embedded into the strap this time. So this design is more like the MetaQuest 3 Elite strap itself. They actually look incredibly similar. Like the Elite strap just doesn't have the hinges. The hinges were a feature on the Comfort strap with the battery. And immediately what I can also see is the cable. They've worked on that bit as well. Like the cable on every other strap that I've tried so far is quite long. This has been designed to work into the hinge. So the cable length only needs to be one distance at all times in order to reach the headset. That is a cool feature. Hinges look the same with the 50 degree. They don't go all the way down. Yep, that's standard. And then when we look further into the box, we've got the skull cradle and the Velcro strap that goes through the front of the device. This immediately feels a lot more flexible than the Kiwi Design Comfort Strap. In my review, that being very stiff and difficult to get underneath the device itself was a point. The padding that goes over the top of the head as well does appear to be a little bit thinner straight out the gate. I think the only fair thing to do in this scenario is to compare both of them next to each other, but let's finish up in the box. Here we've got our instruction manuals, standard with all products that you kind of get these days, especially electronics. Great. All right, on the back we've got left and right, so it's indicative of where you need to squeeze this in. Clips in nice and easy. So there she is. Okay, when we bring the predecessor out, we can see here the cable on the old one, quite long. Just comparing the padding that goes over the top of the head, they're actually the exact same size. And confirming the rubber in the end of this is definitely way softer. They've taken that on board for sure. And then the main difference at the back here, we've got the difference of the click wheel. That's the old click wheel. You can see this is quite bulky compared to this one. The skull cradle looks like it's the same size. Overall, looking way better. Now what we're gonna do is grab our Quest 3 and put it all together. At this point in time, I do have the K4 Boost on my MetaQuest 3. This one looks very much like the Bobovr M3 Pro. Very nice and easy to remove that one is. Let's actually test out this Velcro tab. See how much easier it is to put in. So much, oh my God. That was way easier. Really stepping it up, Kiwi. Right. Clippity clip. Oh, I really like this little inconspicuous cable. That is a really good idea. Whoever at Kiwi Design came up with that, genius. All right, cool. As soon as I've plugged it in, we can see that the head strap is actually on. Beautiful. The click wheel sounds really quiet. This was something that I noted on the H4 Boost as well. They've really streamlined that mechanism on this. Yeah, it looks cool. I really love how much more sleek this whole click wheel inside the actual head strap looks compared to the other one. Just to give you another comparison. It just looks a lot sleeker in design and just better in general. I do wish the hinges would go downways as well. As I said with my Bobovr M3 Pro review, the hinges being able to go further down the back of my head, it makes the device so much more customizable. While I am here as well, I did just want to grab out the MetaQuest 3 Elite strap too, just for comparison in terms of this back bit. So you can see the back bit here. They almost look like exactly the same design. It's strange really, like they're the same shape, they're exactly the same thickness, they look like they're made of the same material. Something else I found interesting interesting, just when I was doing a little bit of research on the K4 Boost, Kiwi Design have certain products of theirs, specifically the G4 grips, that are Meta approved. Here you go. So you can see on the front there, it says made for Meta. And then when I looked on the website, Meta does have a approval program where they go, yep, your product is great for our product. So I'm not sure what's going on behind the scenes there, whether Kiwi Design and Meta are working together, because this newer design on the K4 is eerily similar to the Elite Strap. So I guess we'll find out more in future. But yeah, so far overall first impressions, really, really nice upgrade compared to what they had before. Again, just to bring out the predecessor. I think it's always good to compare stuff. I can't believe how much more sturdy it is. It's great. Anyway, I will be adding a review of the K4 Boost to my reviews list, so keep your eyes peeled on my channel for that. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!